Need to substitute players on Fantasy Premier League? Then you're on the right video. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, you need to head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. In this page, you can move into either Pick Teams or Transfers. Let me move into Pick Team. You will see the team that you have formed. From here, choose any of the player that you want to substitute. Now click on Substitute. Choose the player from the bottom. You can see the formation has also been changed. Likewise, click on any of the player and click on Substitute and choose the player from the bottom. Once you are satisfied with the team, click on Confirm at the top of the screen. And there you go, the player has been substituted. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.